Hey, how we doing? Today is Tuesday, February 19th. We're a little late today. That's okay. Today was a long day. Clearing roof, snow off of roofs for about 2 weeks now with no end in sight. So haven't done a report the last couple days, but I'm going to do a quick one here. I'm about ready for bed. But I'm going to do a quick report because we had a couple big movers today. Markets were they were up in general, but pretty flat for the most part. Um, the stock we've talked about a lot. Clovis, Oncology was the biggest loser on my watch list. No surprise. We've talked about that one a lot, and a lot of um, negative. Um, what's the word I want to use for Clovis Oncology? Dishonest. It's probably the best word I can find right now with Clovis Oncology. They're down 4.5% today. No, maybe somebody watched my videos. Vuzix was the number 3 loser on my list. We talked about that one. An article came out today and reiterating exactly what I said, that their product is pretty much garbage. Um, yeah, so that one is down 3.5% today. We had some big gainers today. Overstock, another one we talk about all the time, was up 12.5% today on no news, really, just kind of anticipation, I think. There was supposed to be a lot happening in February. We're getting towards the end here. Nothing has happened. So I think it's just anticipation. Some big news coming out soon. They're supposed to be closing on an investment here at the end of the month. The new blockchain technology is trading right now. Their cryptocurrency is trading. There's They're hoping to find a buyer for the retail business, the Overstock.com, here by the end of the month. So, yeah, I recommended buying that here last week. Um, I would caution that it's pretty risky. Any of that stuff goes wrong, and any negative news in this company is it's going to be down 25% in one day, no doubt. But it might climb up more than that before it drops that much. So 12.5% today, big gain, closed over $22 today. So gold and silver stocks were up big today. Gold and silver were up, have been on pretty good run here the last 2 or 3 weeks. AngloGold was up over 10%. International Tower Hill Mines, this is a company that I have, not a lot. I have a little over 1,000 shares. But I bought it at around 50 cents, and it's at about 63 cents right now. It's been going up with gold here. Um, they have rights to the Living Good mine in Alaska. It's one of the biggest gold mines in the world. And with the price of gold being as low as it is, and the cost of everything else going up, it just plus there's probably in Alaska, there, permits and things like that. They probably need to get yet. So I have a small position in that just because I think it has some huge upside. I realize that it could also go bankrupt, which is why I don't have a huge amount of money into it. But that's a company that has a huge upside. If gold ever does take off, um, that that stock is going to absolutely valued at $100 million right now. And what do they have? They've done a lot of tests on this mine. What was it like? I think it's like 13 million ounces of gold are in this land that they own. They're just basically waiting to start drilling, or not drilling. But I need to get to bed. Mining for the gold. So First Majestic Silver was another big gainer today, up almost 7%. Freeport, one we've talked about a lot, which I've recommended, was up 6.5% today. Copper prices are slowly climbing back up. So that's closed over $13 today. That's the stock is up about 30% here over the last couple months. So we'll see if that can continue. Um, so yeah, well, I think I'll be able to get in on time as soon as the market closes tomorrow. I think I'm going to kind of try to take it a little easy tomorrow. Body's feeling it a little bit here, so um, I will I will see you tomorrow. Hopefully, if you want to get in on that overstock, 12% today. It would have been nice to get in last week so you could get in that 12% gain today, but that one still's has a lot of upside potential to it. Um, Freeport is another one. So um, if you're if you're somebody who likes to buy stocks and then sell them, in the short term, I'd say Overstock, OSTK is a pretty good candidate for that. So we'll see how they do tomorrow. It should be interesting. I think the rest of this month here, I think Overstock is gonna one way or the other. It's gonna be wild swings. So we'll see if it can keep heading up here or if it's gonna come crashing down. Be interesting to watch. All right, we'll see you later.